Hello everyone, as you can see, we have three clone commanders in front of us. We have Bly, Wolfe, and Gree. And what we're going to do is we're going to make three separate videos, but we're going to randomly select which of these clone commanders we unbox. I've had some of these for a while. I recently got Wolfe. I figured this was a good time to go ahead and unbox them, add them to the collection of clone commanders, and go from there. And we are going to randomly select which of these we are going to unbox. If you have any questions while I am going through these, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. That way you get a chance to see all of these, plus all of the past videos and upcoming videos that we're doing as well. So what we're gonna do is randomly select which one of these we're gonna open. We have 1, 2, and 3. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
All right, so we are going to start with Clone Commander Gree. So let's go ahead and do that now. So this actually works out pretty well. This is the one I wanted to unbox anyways. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a look at the outside of the box here, and then we'll go ahead and unbox Clone Commander Gree, take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things that we liked and or disliked about the figure. So as you can see, we do have Gree here. It looks like he's got his binoculars here. We've got a regular blaster, and then we've got a rifle as well. If we go to the side, this is an unnumbered red box Black Series, but it does have Charlie 3193. On the back here, it says Clone Commander Gree. Clone Commander Gree, designation 1004, led the elite corps of clone troopers during the Clone Wars. He saw deployments on such heated battlefronts as Kashyyyk. Though a faithful commander who carried out the Jedi's orders, Gree was ultimately loyal to the Republic. All right, and we go to the side, and we've got the classic red box there. So let's go ahead and unbox Gree. And we'll go from the bottom like we normally do here. It's been a while since I've done a regular red box one. This is kind of exciting in a way. Like I said, all we're going to do first is get everything unboxed. I usually do these last because the figures themselves, because sometimes they don't want to stand up. That one's not having a problem, however, so that's good. Awesome. All right, throw that away. And this, and this, and then there we go. All right, so let's take a look at the accessories first. It's typically what I do. See if we can get it to focus. Focus, there we go, sort of. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It looks pretty good. I'm curious to see how well he actually holds them, however. So that's my only question. The regular blaster, it's just a regular blaster. I really wish sometimes they would do something more with these. And then we've got the rifle. I'm not going to go into too much detail on either one of those, because if you've got any Black Series figures, you know what they look like. All right, so the helmet on Gree does not come off. It may. I don't think this is this is an older figure, so I don't think we're going to see anything underneath them. So we'll just leave it at that. We do have the antenna here on the back. So let's go ahead and take a closer look here. The head does go left and right pretty well. Not really an up-down, a little bit of an up-down. There we go. Well, that answers the question. Nothing underneath the helmet except for a peg. All right, let me get his head because he went flying. Hold on one moment. I really did not mean for that to happen, but as you can see, there is no face underneath there. Like I said, this is an older figure. Get that on there. There we go, popped right on. So not a whole lot of movement up, down. We're not gonna get any side to side movement. I mean, he's a good looking figure, but don't expect too much out of them. And also be careful. Yeah, arm movements, shoulder up is not going to get that far. Again, this is one of the older Black Series figures. We get arm movement below the shoulder. Wow, yeah, he's something. All right, we get okay movement, not really great movement on the elbow area. It's not bad, actually. I take that back. Same on the other side. When it comes to the wrist movement, this is a left-right. This one is an up-down, okay? Torso movement isn't bad. In a way, I wish that these straps would connect down below, as you know you would expect them to do, but with these older Black Series figures, you would have gotten like hardly any movement, which would have been a problem. So I kind of understand that. We do have the movement there at the hip. That is our movement as far as the knees, and that is the figure. So let's go ahead and take some pictures. Let's see what we are able to do here with Clone Commander Gree. Like I said, I think he's a good looking figure so far. I'm just, I mean, he's an older figure, so there are going to be some limitations, but let's go ahead and see what we can do with this Clone Commander. All right, so I think that was a good look at Clone Commander Gree here. I was a little underwhelmed with the figure, in that, you know, his movements were a little limited. I wasn't able to get him in the typical poses that I'm used to. The binoculars here, they were a pain in the neck to get him to hold in a position that was even close to remotely usable. And there's no place to actually put the binoculars either. I'm probably going to wedge it in there on his back there when I've got him posed. I mean, you know, when you take a step back, the figure's actually, for what it is, for when it was released, it's a good looking figure. And for me, I'm not going to pose him that much. I'm going to leave him on the shelf with the other Clone Commanders, and he's going to look great. He just completes the set. So for that, I'm not going to complain about him too much. The figure from a distance looks great. So there you go. If I can find a link to him, I will leave that in the description down below. It's probably going to be Amazon or Entertainment Earth if I can find them. I don't know if I can still find them right now. Like I said, I bought these a while back, and I was just trying to complete the set. So that's why I have them here. And I thought you guys might be interested. I hope you are. If you have any questions about them, make sure you're asking down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. That way we can, you can see the rest of the Clone Commanders unboxed, see what they look like, see what their articulation is like as well. And also you'll be able to see future videos as well. And basically on the channel, we do a lot of things that a professional geek might be interested in, whether that be Star Wars, the Black Series. We do a lot of that. But we also do other things as well, going to theme parks, home automation, electronics, and that sort of thing as well. So with that, have a great day.